Hi friends, welcome to Excel Festive. In this video, I am going to explain you how to use the drop-down list. Okay friends, see here some of the football players. I have mentioned the name. This is the place in the country. We are going to use the drop-down list. Okay, before that select the cells. Okay friends, and then go to the data tab at the top. Select that. After that, select the data validation option. Okay, one dialog box will appear like this. Here under the settings, you select list. Okay friends, select only the list options here, and then under the source, see one bar is there. In there you just click and then see these are the countries I have mentioned. Select those countries. Okay, the cell which you wanted to use in the drop down list. I have selected all the countries. Okay, and then press enter. Now press OK. See here one, whatever the cells you have selected at the right, one down arrow, one box is there, right? If you click and see all the drop down list, the list which you have selected will be appearing here. Okay, each football player belongs to which country I can select now. See, this is the way you have to use the drop down list, which is very simple and easy method. Now I have selected each player belongs to which country. See here, by using the drop down list. Hope this video finds you well, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share with all your friends. Okay friends, see you in the next wonderful video. Thanks for watching this. Bye.